Do not cling to any one person, not even your most beloved. Every person is a prisoner and also a hiding place. Never give someone the opportunity to waste your time twice. Hiding from your problems won't make them disappear. Facing them is the only way to grow. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. You can waste your lives drawing lines, or you can live your life crossing them. Never apologize for who you are or how you feel. It's like saying sorry for being real. You learn a lot about people when they don't get what they want from you. Drive carefully on this road called life because people will switch lanes on you without a signal. Say no to your desire to be perfect, otherwise, you won't be able to improve further. If there's something you want to do in life, don't wait. If you do, you might find 5 years have passed without you doing anything. Sometimes you need to stop seeing the good in people and start seeing what they show you. If you look at the people in your circle and you don't get inspired, you don't have a circle, you have a cage. Forget about the people in your past. They did not make it to your future for a reason. You have to do what is right for you. No one else is walking in your shoes. Meditation, because some questions can't be answered by Google. Challenges presented by karma and opportunities for spiritual growth. Face them bravely. Your karma follows you like a faithful shadow, so be mindful in your thoughts and actions. Trust is the hardest thing to find and the easiest to lose. Excuses are always there and easy to make. Finding a way is what takes courage. Don't stick with bad friends just because you have known them for a long time. Life becomes easier when you learn to accept the apology you never got. The worst kind of enemies are those who pretend to be your friends. Push yourself to be your best. No one else is going to do it for you. Focus your attention on creating the life you want instead of distracting yourself from your current life. There's only one thing more precious than our time, and that's who we spend it on. You cannot be everywhere and have everything. Learn to make the right choices and commit to things that matter most. You must discipline yourself carefully. You must keep the promises you make to yourself and reward yourself so that you can trust and motivate yourself. The moment you realize that your past mistakes are not changes but lessons, you can begin to craft a future that is not dictated by your regrets. Perhaps you are overvaluing what you don't have and undervaluing what you do. Work on your boundaries. You can't be everything to everyone and nothing to yourself. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Sometimes good things fall apart, so better things can fall together. You should never sacrifice what you could be for what you are. Don't base your decisions on the advice of those who don't have to deal with the results.